Hey y'all, hey, today I'm going to be doing a silk press and featuring my Tymo blow dryer, y'all. If you follow me, y'all know I've posted this blow dryer several times. It is a dupe to the Dyson and it is so strong and powerful. Like literally my Rust Speed Freak was my favorite dryer, and since I got this one, I have not used my Rust at all. I actually took my Rust comb to use it for at home because I don't even need it at the salon. Like, if you were thinking about getting a Tymo, go ahead and get it, girl. But this video isn't about the Tymo, but I just want to throw that in there because I like to explain what I'm using. So my client is getting a silk press, and it is her first time ever getting a silk press. So there is a lot more work to be done in a first time silk press because you got to make sure you can get that hair as smooth as you can. She did have quite a few rough ends, so the blow dry was not as smooth as I wanted it to be. But you know, it's all good. We're going to get it together. So the flat iron that I'm using is Paul Mitchell's Neuro Smooth. It is a titanium flat iron. I prefer to straighten with titanium and curl with ceramic, as titanium plates do get the hair much more straighter and than ceramic, and it leaves a nice shine. And if you've been following me, I've been using this particular flat iron for about 12 years, a very, very long time. You can see how silky her hair looks already, and we're not even done. So I'm not going to bore you guys too much and like flat iron the whole head because it kind of gets redundant, but you can see what's going on. I'm kind of doing like a double pass towards the scalp, and then once I get to the mid shaft and the ends, we just do one pass. Sometimes I might need to go back and do two, just depending on the hair. So no need to strangle me in the comments, okay? She's heat training, so she's not worried about, wearing twist outs and things like that. The final style will be how she will be wearing her hair majority of the time.
Me twice.
Alright, so now we're getting started with the cut. I'm using Hanzo's shears. I forgot what size it is. Might be like a 6-inch, and she's getting a bob cut. So right now I'm just doing the foundation and just doing a basic bob cut. Not really no explanation needed. Just continue watching. So for this part, I'm really just kind of taking off the ends, not really layering it, kind of, but she wanted to keep most of her length as possible. I would have liked it to be more layered, because she did need a little bit more off. But sometimes people aren't quite comfortable, so you got to do what people are comfortable with. And then as time go on, we will just slowly cut more. Okay, so now I am taking Main Life Collection Main Glaze. It's a heat protectant and it adds a nice shine to the hair, just like a dime size amount, and putting it all throughout the hair. And I'm just making sure I'm rubbing it all in. And we're going to spray some holding spray on her hair, and we're going to get to curling. So to give her hair some extra bounce, we're doing the banana peel method. I absolutely love this method because the hair isn't like so flat, and it just looks really good. I'm using the T3 flat iron, and this is a 1.5 inch, y'all. It's ceramic, and I love this flat iron. It is amazing, and it makes nice curls as well. It's the bomb, y'all. It's thebomb.com. I will link it so you guys can check that out. You won't be disappointed. I never have to turn it all the way up. It just curls so nice, seamless. Like, I absolutely love this flat iron, and I just wish that I would have had it sooner. Well, I wish they would have sold it sooner, because I don't even know how long this has been out. But I absolutely love the T3 flat iron.
Me twice.
So just putting a little Kenra holding spray on her hair, and it's just to just on her edges. I didn't want to use like an edge control or anything like that. That'll be tacky or sticky when she gets ready to wrap her hair at night. Sometimes I have to, just depending on the hair texture, but hers was fine. So we're doing a nice comb out, and as you can see, the hair is not stiff. It's moving. It has some body. And she's ready. Like, she is ready. So you guys let me know in the comments, what do you want to see more on my channel. I am going to start back vlogging, but I just kind of been not myself lately. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.